Hello friends, this is Ms. Zahid Hussain. In this video we will learn that how to open a new project in Welcome Software. In the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video on YouTube or any other website like Dailymotion etc. So for complete course and for all details you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. As you know that we have started a complete course of welcome learning. These are all the topics which we will learn in this complete course and exercises also. So it is a complete course of computer embroidery designing on welcome software which you will learn inshallah. So our today topic is how to open a new project. So first of all, open the welcome software. So there is a project and we can work here. If I close them from here, so you can see that now there is no any type of project, so we cannot work any type of work in welcome software. So we must need a project to work on this welcome software. So we have to create a new project, then we will be able to do any type of work on welcome software. So how we can create a new project? So simple and so easy. You have to click on file button and then you have to click on new button. First you have to click on file button and then you have to click on new button. Its shortcut is Control N. You can press Control N from your keyboard for create a new project. So I will click here. So you can see that as I click and create a new project, all the functions are available now and the other menu is also. So in this way you can create any type of new project. So now here in this project I create a circle and we can open or create different projects at a time. In one time we can open or create different type of project. For example, now I create an another project. So every project will be separate. For example, here I made a circle. So as you can see that these two projects are separate from another one. We can work on any type of project at any time. Okay, so our today topic, we can minimize them or maximize them or restore them. We can do anything with them. So in this way we can create any type of project. So now how we can save any design? To save any design you have to click on file button. A drop down menu will show and then you have to save. If you are save any design first time, so you can save them with save or save as any type, but you have to give address because you are saving this design first time. So it's not different that you click on save button or save as. You have to save as first time must. Okay, so I click on save as button and then choose the place where you want to save. For example, I save them on desktop or I save them in local C drive with the name of design 6, or I give the name Zahid Hussain with my name. So I am saving this design in Zahid Hussain, and here you can choose any type of format. Okay, in the beginning you should save your design in EMB format. After that, when you will be expert, so then you can save your design uh, about your machine type. For example, if your machine is Tajima, or if your machine is spotted triplex format, so any type. But in beginning you now you are learning, so you can save your design in EMB format. Okay, and click on save button. So now we can see local drive C. So we have the design has saved in local C drive, but it is not showing, so it may be any problem. So we can save this design on any other drive or any other location or any other folder. For example, I save this design. For example, uh, if we if we see this design on from this softwares, you can see that this design is present on local disk drive, but it not showing uh, by in my computer, but in Welcome software it is showing, and it we can use them, we can open them in Welcome software. But so it will be any problem, so we not a I mean not a big task. We can save this design on any other location or any other drive. For example, I save them in D drive with the name of, for example, ZZZZZ, and save them. Now close them. Now you can see D drive. You can see that we have saved this design with that name. So in this way you can save that any type of design. And uh, to open this design, you can drag, click on the design, click on the file, and drag them and insert in Welcome, and now left here, so it will be open. So in this way you can save any type of design, and when you was working or punching or traveling or designing, so you can save the design with time and time. For example, I made a circle or star sorry, so we will make another star. Now we have to save this design, so you can press Ctrl S from your keyboard and save your design at this place, or you can click here and click here on save button. So in this way you can save your design with time to time. So now our today topic has completed. Our today topic was very easy, so I hope you will like this video, and for new updates don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. Inshallah we will meet again in next video. So goodbye. Allah Hafiz.